Today we're burning on the fire. And there's leaves in that bucket, and we're gonna put them in with this.
Go.
I'm already down here, guys.
Hi, Charlie.
Hey, we gotta record this cute dog.
His name is Charlie, but it's not our dog. It's our neighbor's dog. We get to see Eddie and Charlie. That one is Charlie, the little one, and the big one is Eddie. You have not seen them.
Wasabi.
So let's do it. Come on, Jayden. It's JK family.
You want you to go record?
What are you saying?
Got some popcorn.
That's not popcorn.
Jayden! Give me some. We got some grape.
Jayden called popcorn.
Go, Em.
You crazy boy. This boy is crazy right here. I'm zooming in.
Want some popcorn?
This guy có this popcorn.
That's not popcorn. That's green popcorn.
This guy có that popcorn.
Hey guys, it's Jayden here. Today I will be showing you Heavenly Family.
Oh my god, you
Give me some popcorn.
crazy boy.
Bye, Ellie. Family, sorry.
Here's some grape. I mean, green popcorn. Flat and smooth.
Your hair is so wrinkled on the back.
Wasabi, let's go there. Stay down there.
This bad guy right here.
This fat guy right here.
There!
Hey guys, try some. Here.
Fat guy.
None for you.
Follow me.
Follow you. Okay, let me follow you.
Can you follow? Come.
Here.
This is green popcorn.
Where you going? Yay! You recorder, you're covering the camera.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
No, not yet.
Alright guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video.
And
Nobody, nobody like your video.
And comment down below if Kaylene should start making videos.
You mean?
Yes or no? Come back here! Turn around. Now!
I'll throw you in the fire.